Well guys, it's bright and early in the morning and we're going to be heading that way towards Colorado National Monument. It's going to be about 100 degrees as a high today, so we're heading out as early as we can in the morning to hopefully beat that heat in the afternoon. Well, here we are at Colorado National Monument. I have a feeling today we're pretty much just going to be stopping and looking at a bunch of viewpoints. There are a couple trails. We might be able to hit up a couple in the morning, but it's going to be getting pretty hot, so we'll see how today goes. And this is Redland View. Apparently we're standing on the Redlands Fault, or near the Redlands Fault. It's pretty cool. It goes up through there. Oh, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it going right up through there. And the tunnel. Lights required. Okay. Pretty neat. So this is the Fruita Canyon view. So now we're going to check out the visitor center. Maybe we can watch an informational video. Looks like there's a pretty cool view over there too. Have to check that out in a bit. And today is the 102nd birthday of the National Park Service. Oh, it has these little light up things. Yes. Look at this drone footage. Oh, doesn't let me blow it up again. So definitely check out the visitor center. Has a lot of cool information in there, the wildlife and the history of the surrounding area, including the what? Ute? Including the Ute Native Americans. Now we're going to check out this Canyon Rim Trail. 10-mile trail down the... Okay. This could be a cool first trail to do. It's only a short 0.5 miles or 1 mile if you go down to the Window Rock. No puppies on this trail, so again, we did not bring Blaze with us. Let's check out this view. Pretty cool area with all the juniper trees around here, right on the edge of these cliffs. Beautiful day until it gets up to 100 degrees. Got our, whatever that lizard was called that I just read at the museum. Something collared lizard. Don't run away. Stay very still. I'm not gonna hurt you. Good boy or girl. Pretty epic. The next short little trail we're going to do is Otto's Trail. It's only a quarter mile out, but it looks like it's going to have some pretty cool views. The visitor center is just on the other side of the canyon over there. But we're basically walking out to that long stretch that I kept on filming on the other side of the canyon. This may be our last trail today. Feels like it's already getting up into the 90s with the sun beating down on us, so probably just drive around and show you some canyon views after this, but we'll see. It's already a pretty epic view out here. Mountains off in the distance. Canyons up close. And it looks like we're nearing the end of our trail here. I kind of like this area more, but it's looking out towards this way. So we'll check out the viewpoint first. Check that out. We were just over there not too long ago, coming over here, looking off this direction. Yeah, quite the drop off, I would say. So John Otto was actually the very first custodian here at Colorado National Monument. He is earning $1 per month. I bet $1 could go a lot further than it could today. Down here it says, Otto started a tradition which continues to this day by climbing 450-foot Independence Monument to fly the American flag on July 4th, 1911. It shows his route here in red, going all the way up to the top. It looks like quite the climb. And it's this guy right over here. So it looks like he kind of went, let's see if I can do this with my finger, up around there and up that side. Kept on hearing voices over there. There's some people actually climbing that big rock over there in the middle. I see a white shirt. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice place to stay around here, James M. Robb Campground, or James M. Robb Colorado River State Park. There's like 3 different sections. We're staying at the Fruita section, but I think all of them are fairly close to Colorado National Monument, so might be a cool place to stay if you want to go camping around here. All right, made it back to the truck. Now it's time to go see what else this park has to offer. I just saw that guy climbing up the mountain over there. I thought it was smaller, but it's actually a bighorn sheep. And this is the view at Monument Canyon. There's a bunch of side trails you can take along here, but we still have a lot of Colorado National Monument to explore, so we're gonna keep on driving. Okay, I lied, I'm gonna go check out some other things. This is Coke Ovens Overlook here. And it looks like there's actually a ton of switchbacks going up that way. So it looks like you can hike down into this valley. Yeah, I guess you can see the trail going through the middle out there. Not an 100-degree day for us. And this is Highland View over here. Drove right past Artist Point back that way, so I apologize for that. Epic views wherever you look. And this is Red Canyon Overlook. Are you prepared to get some cold shivers?
Not today.
Yeah, 100 degrees, it's kind of hard to get cold shivers. Serpentine's trail over there on the right. Quite the windy trail. I think it has about 1,000 feet elevation gain, so we're not doing that in 100 degrees. Instead, we're going to be taking a bunch of switchbacks via road. So here's the beginning of Serpent's trail that we did not take. So it's about 1,000 feet elevation gain or something like that. So instead, we're going to be taking this Devil's Kitchen trailhead. Probably won't go too far, but it looks pretty cool. Might be a good place to relax and chill after we get there. Looks like there's actually some water for you to go jump in, cool off. I know some people absolutely love this weather and they thrive in it, but not so much me. Pretty sure I'm going to be covered in sweat by the time we get done with this short hike. Quite a few cacti around here. Kinda gotta watch yourself and walk in the middle of the trail. Definitely a warm day. We may turn back early, we'll see. So I think we're actually gonna turn around. It's getting a little warm and we need to get back to the puppy. Always use the puppy as an excuse when we're warm, right? It's getting closer to that upper 90s mark. Not quite 100 yet, I don't think, but just wanted to check around this corner and see what it looked like. Looks pretty cool. Another like balanced rock up there. Pretty sweet. But I'm gonna turn back, meet back up with Deanna, and I think we're gonna call it a day. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little venture around Colorado National Monument in Colorado. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.
But today we are going to start heading towards Delta, Colorado, so we can go towards our next national park.